There's a saying that 2 is better than 1, and that's true. In this case, for making up to $300 in a single day. The secret is here to combine two powerful apps which you can download for absolutely free, and here is how it works. You have to download free images or free files on app number 1, and you can re-upload them onto app number 2, and you make your money. The more images that you re-upload, the more money you're going to make. No creating videos, no websites, no affiliate marketing, no selling, no referrals, no social media, just a plain and simple method that anyone can do in 10 minutes a day. Of course, if you want to make even more money, I would recommend you to spend more time with it. Both of these apps are available worldwide in all countries, and they pay out in many different payment options. This is something fresh and brand new, so be sure to stay until the very end. This is USF Videos, and welcome to my channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash a like button, and if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Basically, in this video I'll show you two different free apps that you have to use together to make big money online. This is the first app that I want to show you. As you can see here, it's free and you don't have to pay any money to get started. Let me show you exactly how much money you can make from this free app. You can see here the different amounts that these people are getting over and over again. People from all over the world are actively cashing out money every single day, and they're transparent to show all the testimonials with hundreds and hundreds of real payment proof. Remember, this is only the first app. You will need to use another app to make this strategy work. So make sure you watch the full video so that you know exactly how it works and exactly what to do. Let me explain what this application is all about. You can make money on this website by simply uploading free files and images. Now, when you upload something on this website and whenever someone else downloads them for free, that's when you make your money. You can earn up to $7 over and over again on complete autopilot. I will show you exactly where to find free files or images to download and all the processes to upload them using a phone or a computer. So don't worry about all of that. First of all, let me show you exactly how to sign up for free on this website. You're going to click on the sign up button and then you're going to come over to this page. As you can see here, user registration. Simply enter your username, email address, password and a payment information. Now they pay you in many different methods. As you can see here, they can pay you through PayPal, Payoneer, WebMoney and so on. I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of payment option you prefer in your country. Anyway, if your payment method is not available right now, you can just comment down below and let me know, and I can see if I can help you to set up a payment method that you prefer. Now once you have filled in all your information, you are just going to click on this "I'm not a robot" and click on the screen registration button. And now I want to show you a real life example inside my account and show you exactly how to do this step by step so you can start making money. So make sure you keep watching. Now when I log into my account, you can see here that when I click in this upload file button, when you go onto the upload files, you can start uploading something on this website, and then whenever people download your files, you're going to make money. Before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel and drop a like and leave a comment down below. So moving on, I'll show you exactly where to find these free files to upload, and then you can profit a lot of money on this website. I want to show you the second app that you have to use, which is called Pixabay, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. This is free and you can get a lot of copyright free and royalty free images which are super high quality. As you can see here, all the images and footage on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, meaning this is free for commercial use and you can use it for commercial purpose. You can upload this to the first app which I showed you previously. Let me show you a real life example and step-by-step demonstration on how exactly you can do this, how to download, how to re-upload, how to start making your money. You can see here I've uploaded one demo image right here, and I have shown you how to do it right now. So first of all, you can come over to pixabay.com and you can see stunning free images and royalty free images over here, and they have over 1.7 million high quality videos and images, guys, that you can download for absolutely free. So for example, I'll type in nature and then press on the search button. you'll instantly find all the free images to download. And when I click on any of these images, once I click on the image, then we can click on this free download button and I can select the resolution of the image. So here's the number one important tip that I want to give you. Make sure that you download a high quality image. As you can see here, you don't want to download this. I recommend that the minimum you have to download is 1280p. Make sure they're high quality and high resolution images so that people will want to download them, so you can make your money. Now I'm going to select this one right here, and you can see here it's actually very small file, but you can download as much as you want. Now once I select this one right here, I'm going to click on download, and you can see here download has been initiated on my computer. And again, you can do this through your computer or you can do this through your mobile phone. Once I downloaded the images, I can start uploading them on this website. But before I show you how to upload, I want to show you another example. For example, this is another image and you can do the same thing for it. So just click on the free download button. I select this right here and just click on the download button. The download is initiated here again, and this is 100% free. I don't have to pay any money to start downloading these images from Pixabay right now. I'll go back to the first website and I'll show you how to upload them. Now when you click on this upload file, now you can see here file upload. You can click on the link or you can click on this image right here. So you can just choose the image that you want to upload and then click on this button, which is file upload. As you can see, it is pretty fast because these images are very small in file size. You can do it hundreds and thousands of times a day. The more files or images that you upload, the more money you're going to make. Now there's a lot of high quality images right here, so you can repeat this process again and again. You can see here once I finish uploading the file, they're going to give me 2 links right here, and then whenever people click on this link to download the file, I'm going to make money. The best thing about this website is that you don't have to sell or market anything. You don't have to promote the link because this website right here, they're going to promote those images for you automatically and get people to download them for absolutely free. If you don't like waiting, if you want to promote it somewhere else, for example on Facebook or forums to further boost your income, it is always highly recommended. Once I finish the uploading process, I can click on here my files. You can see here it will show me my recently uploaded images. These are all the recent images that I just uploaded, and I can set whatever price that I want, and then whenever people download them using my link on this website, I'm going to make money. So this is a huge opportunity for you. And right now, if you only have a mobile phone, both of these websites and apps are 100% free to use, and with just a few clicks and few minutes a day, you're able to set up multiple passive income streams that run for you on complete autopilot. So that's it for our video today. Please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something today. This is USF Videos and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.